Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to add HBO Max to your Roku TV so you can stream all your favorite movies, shows, and originals with ease. Follow these simple steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Roku TV and make sure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A reliable internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. From the Roku home screen, navigate to Streaming Channels on the left-hand menu. This is where you can browse and add new apps. Step 3. In the Streaming Channels menu, select Search Channels. Use the on-screen keyboard to type HBO Max. Step 4. Select the official HBO Max app from the search results to ensure you're downloading the correct app. Step 5. Click on Add Channel to install HBO Max on your Roku TV. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once installed, return to your Roku home screen. You will see the HBO Max icon in your list of channels. Step 7. Open the HBO Max app by selecting it. You'll need to log in using your HBO Max account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly from the app by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you can browse the HBO Max library, select your favorite movies or shows, and start streaming immediately. You can also use the search function inside the app to find content faster. Step 9. For easier access in the future, highlight the HBO Max channel on your home screen, press the Options button on your Roku remote, and select Move Channel to place it at the top for quick access. That's it! HBO Max is now installed on your Roku TV, and you're ready to enjoy endless entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.